the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Chevrolet features towing package, 4-wheel drive, and hill start assist. Safety features include fog lights, dual front airbags, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, power steering, and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Davidson Gebhardt Chevrolet and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.